Gary's taught me how to shoot and pluck them. Now I'm going to show him a delicious way to cook his pigeons.
I'm going to do a really nice salad of pigeon, black pudding, yeah, and pancetta.
Cut through the wishbone, which makes it easier to remove the pigeon breast.
Nice thing about pigeon, it's slightly gamey, not too strong, but bloody delicious. That's what I want there, look. Really nice thin marbling of fat in there.
Marinate in salt, pepper and olive oil to keep the pigeon tender.
Whilst I'm waiting, cut up the pancetta into nice sort of lardons.
Place the marinated breast in a hot pan.
Beautiful. And literally 1 minute each side.
Whilst the pigeon rests, fry the pancetta in the same pan.
Pancetta in. We'll make a very, very quick dressing.
I'm making a dressing with olive oil and sherry vinegar.
Now, sherry vinegar gives it a really nice, tart, exciting flavour.
Add salt, pepper and lemon juice.
Just a little tablespoon of the vinaigrette. So as the pigeons start to cool down, it absorbs that really nice sherry vinegar. And this is where we get the black pudding. The black pudding gives it a bit of a spice. Yeah. Just crumble into the bacon. That is a chef's dream.
That was fantastic.
Deglaze the pan with sherry vinegar.
It gives it a really nice sort of vibrant flavour. Drain it through a sieve onto a plate. That is fit for a king.
Dress a watercress, rocket and frisee salad and add the black pudding and pancetta.
Mix that through. Colours are extraordinary. But the real star is the pigeons. Look at that. I never thought an Essex bird could be so fucking tasty. Pigeon on, touch of vinaigrette. Off you go, my man.
Cheers, thank you.
Tuck in. Nice. Crispy bacon and a really nice pink pigeon. What a lovely way of eating black pudding as well. In a salad, crispy, fried, and the bacon.
That's fantastic.